Hi kids, good morning everyone. My name is Priyanka from Kanha Kingdom Smart Education. Students, today we will study science and this is for class first. And today our topic is You and Your Surroundings. The name of the chapter is You and Your Surroundings. This is the first chapter and we will do the exercises of this chapter today. You have already been explained about the chapter. Now today we will do the exercises of this chapter, okay? The question answers and the fill in the blanks. But before moving to the exercises, we will just do a quick revision of the chapter. What did we study? We will revise once. Then we will move towards the exercise and the question answers of this chapter. You and your surroundings. Okay? So let us move towards the contents. So students, these are the contents of your chapter, okay? Your surrounding and clean and green surrounding. What do you see around your surroundings? What do you have in your surrounding? Okay? And how can you keep your surrounding neat and clean? So we will revise about these two topics, okay? Then we will move towards the exercise. So now students, starting with your surroundings, okay? So what do you mean by surrounding? What is the meaning of surrounding? Surrounding is a place where you live, okay? The place where we live and the area around is called as surrounding, okay? The place where we live and the area near our places, those are called as surroundings, okay? You live in your house, yes or no? And the area near your house, those are your surroundings, okay? So what do you mean by surrounding? The place where you live and the area around us is called as surrounding. Okay, the area nearby you is your surrounding. Understood? Can you see? This is your school. Yes or no? What do you find near your school? These are the surrounding of your school or not? Can you see the picture? This is your school. And the area, the place around your school, these are your surroundings. Can you see the trees, the cars, the buildings? Yes or no? The people around, all are these your surroundings. Okay? The trees, the buildings, the cars, the vehicles, the people around, these are your surrounding of your school. Yes or no? What do you have nearby your house? Shops, yes or no? Markets. These are what? These are the places near your surrounding. Okay, surrounding means the place where you live and the area around you. It is called as surrounding. Okay, and this is the picture of your school. And what do you have near your school? The building, the trees, the playgrounds, the people around. Yes or no? So all these comprise a surrounding. All these makes a surrounding near you. Understood? Now students, if you are living in a surrounding, okay, if you are living at home or if you are at school and you are living in a surrounding with many people, how can you keep your surrounding clean? You should keep your house, your surrounding neat and clean or not? You should keep the surrounding of your school neat and clean, the surrounding of your house neat and clean. Yes or no? Then how do you keep your surrounding clean? We must always keep our surrounding neat and clean or not? By not throwing waste here and there. Yes or no? We can keep our surrounding neat and clean by not throwing waste here and there. Okay? We should not spoil the plants near our surroundings. Okay? These are some few things by which you can keep your surrounding neat and clean. Understood? The surrounding, the area, the place where we live, we should always keep our surrounding neat and clean. Okay? Students, how can you keep your surroundings neat and clean? Can you say some points? How can you keep your surrounding neat and clean? Can you think some of the points by which you can keep your surrounding neat and clean? You can keep your surrounding neat and clean by planting trees, by planting plants. Yes or no? Why do we need to plant trees? We need to plant trees so that the plants will keep the air around us neat, clean and fresh. Yes or no? The plants keeps the air fresh and clean, through which our surroundings remain healthy. The plants provide us air or not? The plants gives us oxygen. Yes or no? So the more plant you grow, the surrounding will become more fresh and healthy. Okay, the air around your surrounding will be more fresh and healthy. That is why to keep your surrounding healthy and clean, you should plant and grow more plants and trees. Okay, to keep your surrounding neat, healthy, fresh, so that you can get fresh air, clean air, you must plant trees. You must grow plants. Okay, you must not cut down the trees near your surroundings. Okay, if you cut down the trees, what will happen? The air will not be fresh around you. Okay, and you might fall ill. Okay, there will be lot of pollution. So that is why to keep your surrounding fresh, clean and healthy, you must grow plants. Okay, so this is the first point, how you can keep your surrounding neat and clean. Understood? And students, you must not throw waste like paper, plastics, then the dirty things. You must not throw here and there. Why? It will make your surrounding dirty. Yes or no? Do you throw waste paper, when you eat some chocolates, the wrappers, do you throw around your house or what? Where do you throw then? You throw it into the dustbin, yes or no? When you eat some chocolates, some chips, where do you throw the packets of the chocolates and chips? Into the dustbin, yes or no? You do not throw those wrappers and those packets on the floor at home. Do you throw? No, you must always throw those wrappers and things into the dustbin. You must not litter around. Litter around means to throw waste materials here and there. Okay? The dirty things. If you litter around the dirty things, you will make your surrounding dirty. And if your surrounding is dirty, you may fall ill. Okay? Many insects will live there. The mosquitoes, the flies, which will make you fall ill. That is why you must always throw your waste into your dustbin. Okay? We must not throw litter around. Litter means the waste materials. It makes our surrounding dirty. Always throw waste into the dustbin. always use dustbin to throw your waste. Understood? We must also keep the area of our park neat and clean. If you have park nearby you, park is a place where you play, yes or no? The area of your park you must keep neat and clean. Can you see the picture? The people are cleaning the area. Can you see? They are keeping the environment clean. They are keeping your surrounding clean. Okay. What it is written there? Can you read? Please keep our park clean. Okay. If you keep your park, if you have a park nearby your house or your school or the places where you live, if you have park, you must always keep that area neat and clean. Understood? Kids, can you see the picture? What are the children doing in the picture? They are watering the plants. If you have a garden in your house and if you have planted trees in your surrounding, you should always water them. You should always water the plants that you have grown nearby your surrounding. Okay. Watering your plants will help them grow well, and if they grow well, the plants will provide you fresh and clean air which will keep your health healthy, which will keep you healthy by providing fresh and clean air. Plants keeps the surrounding neat and clean. It keeps the surrounding healthy and fresh. That is why we must grow plants nearby our surroundings and we must water the plants so that they can grow well, providing us good and fresh air. Okay. The plants purifies the air, the dirty air. It takes all the pollution, carbon dioxide, and it releases oxygen. The plants take all the harmful pollution and plants release oxygen which makes the air around us clean, through which the surrounding becomes healthy. So we must always water our plants. Understood? Can you see the picture? The children are watering the plant. Yes or no? Do you have a garden at home? If you have, you water your plants every day. Okay? See students, what it is written there? Do not waste water. We must not waste water because water is very essential for us. Okay? See what it is written there? Please don't waste water. Can you see the man is walking there and the water is flowing out through the bucket? It is a wastage of water or not? And the girl is brushing her teeth and she has kept the tap on and all the water is flowing out. That is also what? Wastage of water. Even if you brush your teeth, while brushing your teeth, while taking bath, don't keep the tap on. If you are not using water, close the tap. Okay, close the tap. Don't let the water flow out without any use. It is wastage of water. Then see, the boy are standing and the water is flowing out. That is also wastage of water. You should not play with water. Okay. You must always save water. Understood? So, these are the points through which you can keep your surrounding neat and clean. What is a surrounding? The place where you live. The area near you is called your surrounding. Okay. How can you keep your surrounding neat and clean? By planting trees, by growing plants. Yes or no? By not throwing waste here and there. Keeping your area clean. Yes? Then not wasting water. Not throwing your waste paper or your waste materials nearby your surrounding. Okay, this is how you can keep your surrounding neat. And if you grow more plants, you will keep your surrounding more healthier, because plants keeps the surrounding neat and clean by providing us fresh air. That is how you can keep your surrounding green and clean. Planting more trees will keep your surrounding green, and green plants provide us more oxygen. That is why we must keep our surrounding green and clean. Green means planting more trees near your surroundings, so that the trees will provide us more fresh and healthy air. Okay. You should not litter. Always throw your waste into the dustbin. You should always use dustbin to throw your waste. Okay. Then we must grow more plants and trees, because plants and trees keep the air fresh and clean. Okay. So these are some points by which you can keep your surrounding fresh and clean. Okay. Now let's move towards the exercise of this chapter. Okay. You please take out your notebook and note down these exercises in your notebook. Okay. So students, first we will start with objective type questions. Okay. The first question is objective type questions. Write T for true and F for false. Question number 1 is write T for true and F for false. Okay, this is true or false. So number 1, we should keep our surrounding clean. It is true or false? We should keep our surrounding clean. It is true. Okay, we must always keep our surrounding clean. It is true. Then number 2, dirty surroundings can make us fall ill. True or false? Dirty surroundings can make us fall ill. It is true. Yes or no? Dirty surroundings makes us fall ill. If we keep our surrounding dirty, we will fall ill. Okay. Then we should never grow trees. True or false? We should never grow trees. It is false. We must grow trees nearby our surrounding. Okay. Then always throw waste into the dustbin. True or false? Always throw waste into the dustbin. It is true. Then number 5, trees keep the air fresh and clean. It is also true. Okay. I will repeat once again. Write true or false. Number 1, we should keep our surrounding clean. True. Dirty surrounding can make us fall ill. It is true. We should never grow trees. False. We must always grow trees. So that is why it is false. Always throw waste into the dustbin. True. Trees keep the air fresh and clean. True. Okay, the answers are written below. You can see and you can write down. Please write down all these questions in your notebook. This is chapter 1. You and your surrounding. You write the name of the chapter, the heading Okay, write T for true and F for false, and you please note down this exercise in your notebook. Okay, make separate copy for all the subjects. Now our next question is match the following. In column A, it is written area around you, dirty surroundings, dustbin, clean and fresh air. And in column B, it is waste can make us fall ill, trees, surroundings. You have to match column A with column B. Okay. So, number 1, area around you. What will be the answer? Area around you. It is surroundings. It is written there. Number D. In column B, number D. Area around you. The answer of area around you is surrounding. That is 1D. Match number 1 with D. Area around you, surroundings. Okay. Then dirty surroundings. The answer is B. Can make us fall ill. The answer of 2 is B. Then dustbin. Dustbin is waste. A. The answer of number 3, dustbin is A. Waste. Then number 4, clean and fresh air. Clean and fresh air. The answer is C. Trees. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. Okay. The answer of number 1 is D. Area around you is surrounding. Then number 2, dirty surrounding. It is B. Can make us fall ill. Number 3, dustbin. It is A. Waste. Clean and fresh air. It is trees. The answers are written below. You can see and you can match them. Our next question is very short answer questions. Write 2 examples for each of the following. Write 2 examples for each of the following. Number 1. Things you see around your house. What are the things that you can see around your house? That is, the answer is trees, park. The answer will be trees, park. The things that you see around your house. It is trees, park. Okay. Then things you see around your school. The things that you see around your school. It is playground and schoolyard. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Playground and S-C-H-O-O-L. School yard. Y-A-R-D. Yard. Okay. I repeat. Things you see around your house. It is trees, park. T-R-E-E-S. Trees. P-A-R-K. Park. Things you see around your school. It is playground. P-L-A-Y-G-R-O-U-N-D. Playground and schoolyard. S-C-H-O-O-L-Y-A-R-D. Schoolyard. This is the answer of this question. Okay? Now students, our next question is short answer questions. Okay, short answer questions. Question number 1. What is the area around you called? I repeat, what is the area around you called? The answer is, the area around us is called as surroundings. The area around us is called as surroundings. Okay. you also spell the words, okay? You also spell the words. It will be easy for you to memorize. Understood? Then question number 2. Should your surrounding be clean or dirty? I repeat, should your surrounding be clean or dirty? Answer, yes, our surrounding should be clean. Our surrounding should be clean. Question number 3. Why should you grow more plants and trees? Why should you grow more plants and trees? Because plants and trees keep the air fresh and clean. The answer is because plants and trees keep the air fresh and clean. Okay, I will repeat once again. What is the area around you called? The area around us is called as surrounding. Question number 2. Should your surrounding be clean or dirty? Answer is yes, our surrounding should be clean. Question number 3. Why should you grow more plants and trees? Why should you grow more plants and trees? Answer is because plants and trees keeps the air fresh and clean. Because plants and trees keep the air fresh and clean. So these are the answers of this question. Okay? Our next question is long answer questions. Question number 1. Why should you keep your surroundings clean? Write any 2 ways in which you can keep your surroundings clean. I repeat my question. Why should you keep your surroundings clean? Write any 2 ways in which you can keep your surroundings clean. Okay. Answer is because dirty surrounding can make us fall ill. Why should we keep our surrounding clean? Because dirty surroundings can make us fall ill. Okay? Then what are the 2 ways by which you can keep your surrounding clean? The 2 ways to keep our surrounding clean are: do not litter the surrounding. Number 2, grow more plants. 2 ways to keep our surrounding clean. Number 1 is do not litter the surrounding, and number 2, grow more plants. Okay? Then question number 2. What helps us to stay healthy? What helps us to stay healthy? Clean surrounding helps us to stay healthy. Clean surrounding helps us to stay healthy. Okay? I will repeat once again. Why should you keep your surroundings clean? Write any 2 ways in which you can keep your surrounding clean. Answer is because dirty surrounding can make us fall ill. Because dirty surroundings can make us fall ill. 2 ways to keep our surrounding clean are: do not litter the surrounding. Number 1 is do not litter the surrounding. Litter means to throw waste here and there. Okay. Then number 2, grow more plants. Grow more plants. Question number 2. What helps us to stay healthy? Clean surrounding helps us to stay healthy. Clean surrounding helps us to stay healthy. Okay. So this is the question. This is the exercise of this chapter. You please note it down in your copy and learn it. Okay. Learn these questions at home. Understood? And so in the next class we will continue with the next chapter. I will give you the exercises of the next chapter, chapter number 2. Okay. So you write down this question and answers in your copy. Okay students.